So a while ago, my Google Nest Mini broke, and I used it to listen to podcasts on Spotify, and I was like really mad. Anyways, I got back from Best Buy today, and we got something that's actually mine, so I can actually show you the setup process. Yeah. Anyways, we got a Google Nest Hub. That's right. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And yes, this is the second unboxing of the fall upload boom. The first one was the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's not mine, but this is mine. This is the Google Nest Hub second gen. It's a 7-inch screen one. And they only had this is sand, guys. This is sand. It's not pink, guys. It's sand. This is the only color they had at Best Buy. Their website said they had blue, but they did not have blue. So that kind of sucks. But, yeah, I guess we can open this. It has this shrink wrap. Here, you can do a bunch of stuff with it. Really cool. I don't know if this will be a review. Who knows? But let's just unbox this. Oh my gosh, I need to break the shrink wrap. I'll be right back after I break the shrink wrap. Finally. Oh my. There's a lot of shrink wrap. Oh my god. There we go. We've got the thing. Yeah, we've got it. There. We've got, what else have we got? We got some instruction manuals. And we've got something in here. Oh my goodness, yes, the charger. It actually has like, oh, there's something else. Oh, okay, that was just the getting started thing that we don't care about. Is there anything else in here? No, that's it. So yeah, pretty lame package. Anyways, here's the charger. We can take a look at the charger. Okay, if I can get it open. Alright, so here's the charger. It looks like the exact same as my Google Nest Mini, but I think it's smaller. Okay, nice. We'll put that aside. And we've got the Nest Hub itself. Get ready, guys. It's time for the peel moment. Actually, I don't think it is. Yeah, no, it's not. Here it is. Now it is. Okay, it's ready for the peel. Let's go. Oh, wait, where are we supposed to peel this from? Oh, right, the back. Okay, get ready, guys. Oh, yeah, that sounds good. Okay, so it's pretty small, but you know, it's here. We've got well, here's the thing. We got the microphone switch. We've got whatever this is. And okay, this thing looks orange, I guess. We've got the power port. And yeah, it's a Google. So let's plug this in because yeah, let's unplug that one. And let me just get this charger ready. Okay, let's plug it in. So, just guess we do that. And it's turning on. It's like a grayish color, I guess. Pretty good audio quality, actually.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Alright, I'm gonna
mic's
go
back
set
on.
this up because, yeah.
The mic's off.
Okay,
The
that
mic's
works.
back on.
Let's see, what is this? Oh, okay, so this is the volume we can adjust. It's touchscreen too, so yeah. Okay, let's go. Set this up. I'll be back.